Santa Barbara and stay there for the weekend this week because Andre's parents and their friends came and they want Andre to be the tour guide of Santa Barbara because Andre stayed at Santa Barbara for like never. Just went to school in Santa Barbara. Plus, he want to wake up early in the morning to get croissant. Oh, what is it?
Yes.
Croissant from what place? From where?
Ronaldo's.
Why do you want to get that croissant?
Because it's the best croissants in the world.
Why is it the best?
Because it's the best.
Why not like Costco? So we're gonna stay there for this weekend, midnight, and Luna also got to stay in their cat hotel for the weekend also until Monday. So yeah. So this week vlog gonna be our trip to Santa Barbara again. Huh?
And Solvang.
And where?
Solvang.
And somewhere else. Not sure where that at. Never been there. We're currently on top of the Santa Barbara
Courthouse.
clock tower, so you can see all the 360. So we're gonna go back here on 10 years vow renewal to do our thingy
Right there in the courtyard.
right there. Not in the courtyard, in the thingy down there.
You mean the...
Yeah.
Sure.
All eyes on the way I vibe when I walk into the room. Wind blows underneath the soles of my brand new pair of shoes. I got the attention, I'm on a mission. No sweat in the way I step, I got a fresh new attitude. Oh my, 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 oh my, my, my. Call me a king, you can buy me a crown. Oh my, 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 oh my, my, my. I'm leveled up, and this is my world now. This is my world now.
Hello, welcome to Santa Barbara. Come on in. So this is our hotel room in Santa Barbara. Here's the left. We got all the gist and snacks, coffee, water. I think there's a fridge down here somewhere, but there's snacks. Snacks, wine, beer. How do you get in here? On your right side over here, this is the bathroom. And all the whole thing is more like a Spanish style. And I love how they have big mirror, and they also put like makeup remover towels. Cause you know, use this one and be all over it. So it's nice to have like a makeup remover towel and a makeup mirror, which to slide up. And Andre's favorite spot is actually the bathtub right here. So you're gonna choose the bathtub today. We actually bought bath bomb which you lay on to use it. And then here is the bathroom with the sliding door. I'm not gonna show you the toilet because you know what toilet looks like. So this is the shower right over here. And the funny part, look how fancy the shampoo body wash is. Can we take this home?
Yeah.
Fancy this
Good
is.
housekeeping in my own.
Yeah. So Andre can take a bath while take a shower at the same time. Save water.
Exfoliating pad.
Booty scrub.
Booty scrub.
And booty scrub. Here we have a mirror. down here is the bedroom. We got a flat screen TV, DVD for you to play whatever. I'm surprised they still have DVD.
They have a whole collection of DVD downstairs.
They actually have like a whole collection. They like open the door and there's like freaking blockbuster DVD. I'm like,
And
people still
board
use
games.
those things. Yeah.
Don't forget board
My
games.
favorite place, my favorite spot is we have a fireplace in here. So I'm just gonna sit here, read a book, eat some chips. So, and here we have the bed. So this is king bed.
King bed. So, okay.
And here we have a little writing stations, and they actually write you a letter or something. Have nice paper too.
Nice paper. Just to me.
And my favorite place, I don't think you can see it yet, but we're gonna show you in the morning, is we have our own little backyard garden situation. So when you open
So
this
trying to say is patio.
patio, so we have our little
Yeah, it's
sitting area.
Animal, gonna bite your flesh when I jump your bones. If I smell your scent, I could lose control. Don't let me hurt ya. Same color in your eyes, all your thoughts depraved, uncivilized. Have we both gone mad, trying to disguise our true nature? Our most primal ways, they won't be refused. I've tried to tame her. I'll go wild over you. I'll go wild over you. I'll go wild over you. And I've heard you talking to the moon.
So sunny. We're currently in Copenhagen. Close enough. We're currently in, how do you say this place?
Solvang.
Solvang.
Sweet.
Solvang?
Solvang. I
Solvang.
mean, it's written all over the place.
Yeah, something like that. It's practically Copenhagen in LA or Santa Barbara.
Santa Barbara.
Yeah, so the whole town is like this little, yeah, all the architecture
stores.
is Danish. So cute. And
Everything
over
is about Christmas.
Yeah,
Even
every
if
single
it's
thing
not
is
Christmas.
like a Christmas town. Does it snow here? There's not only like one street, it's like a couple blocks that is all the architecture is like the same. You wanna go ride some horse? You wanna go ride a pony? We're currently heading back to
Home?
yeah. We're currently heading back to home from, what's the place called?
Solvang.
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 G and J.
Solvang.
Solvang.
Yeah, that place. Because we have to pick up our kitty. So this weekend they've been to Kitty Hotel so we can get away. It's our first time having the kitten away to a kitten hotel. So now we have to go home early before 6 to pick them up from the hotel. Yeah.